Carrie. Watch me carry. I am Carrie. Watch me carry. Look out behind.
Hey, Carrie.
Huh?
Are you very busy at the moment?
Well, Bozer, I just thought I'd tidy this up a bit, but it's taken me all the morning. Phew.
Okay, then don't worry. I won't be asking you to help Scooch and Diggs until you have had a rest.
Hi, Carrie.
Hello, Carrie.
Why? What are they going to do?
Oh, Maxine needs her material for her next big mix.
Oh, I love helping Maxine.
Maybe Scooch and I could get started and Carrie could join us later when she's feeling up to it.
Feeling up to it? I'm up to it now.
But, Carrie, you've been working so hard. You should give yourself some idle time.
But I don't need idle time. These forks are made for forking, and that's just what they'll do.
Well, if you're sure. Now, Maxine needs all these materials at the main site. You all know what to do?
We certainly do.
Good. Mine behind. Mine behind.
It's gravel, sand and cement time! Right, here comes the sand. Then I'll get the gravel. Warning, warning, backing.
Dumper coming through.
I don't suppose anybody would like to...
Race!
Ready, set, go! Oh, you started early. I'm gonna beat you, Skirt.
I won by 4.
Oh, Carrie, why are you lowering your cement? We're not there yet. Are your batteries running a bit low?
Of course not. I just needed to flex my forks. Flex.
Oh, well, you better stop flexing and start carrying. That's Maxine, and I say she was ready to mix. Last one, there's an old wheelbarrow.
Well, it won't be me.
Who'd have thought that 6 tons of cement could be so heavy?
Rolling back, darlings. Rolling back, darlings. Rolling back.
We won!
I could have won, but someone put some rocks on this pallet.
Rocks? I can't see any rocks.
Are you sure? It feels a lot heavier than it did a minute ago.
Maybe it's not heavier. Maybe you're just tired. We all know how you battery-powered machines get run down.
Run down?
Oh, no, my little trucks. Oh, look at all those materials. I'm going to whip up some fine concrete with all this. Although, I think I need a lot more cement.
Oh, I'll just haul the rest of it over then. No problem.
Oh, that won't be enough, Carrie. There's a flatbed full at the loading area. But there's no hurry to fetch it now. It can wait till you've taken some idle time.
Yeah, it looks as though you could use it.
I can get that cement now. Who needs to idle? Idling's for idlers.
Oh!
Ooh. Well,
Carrie, is your motor supposed to whine like that?
I am not whining.
Oh, and no offense, but you smell a bit funny. I don't know much about these things, but I'd say your battery needs recharging.
I do not smell. And once and for all, there's nothing wrong with my battery. I can run all day and all night too. I am Carrie. Hear me rev.
Well, if you think you can do it, Then go for it, sister. Only you know your own chassis.
No problem. Huh. I'll show them rundown batteries. All right. Where's that flatbed? Let me out. Oh. Well, I suppose I'd better start unloading. Come on, Mr. Planet! Haha, no problem. Easy as diesel. Haha. Oh, sort of. Oh, what's happening? My batteries!
They're dead. Oh, great. I'm stuck now. What if Diggs and Scooch find me here with flat batteries? Oh, this is so embarrassing. Oh, here they come. Oh.
Hello, Carrie, me darling.
Oh, Maxine, I am so glad it's you.
Oh, what a gorgeous welcome. And I love the new deep voice. So, what you doing here? Sitting there. You decided to take a break after all?
No, I ran out of power. Everyone was right. I should have taken some idle time.
Oh, Carrie, when you're a new machine, you sometimes ignore the fact that you need a rest. We all need to recharge.
But I thought I could keep going.
Well, maybe you should have listened to your engine, girl. You know what them say? If you move around slow, you're probably tired. If you grind and whine and smell and burn wires, it's idle time. Ooh, idle time.
Oh,
If you clink and you clank and you shudder and you jerk, time to chill out. Take a break from your work.
it's idle time?
Oh, that's right. It's idle time.
Oh, thanks, Maxine. It's time this machine took some idle time. Could you give me a push back to the grid for a recharge?
I'm one roll ahead of you, machine sister. Back a bit, little bit more, and you're in.
Wow!
Wow! I feel better already! Thanks, Maxine.
You're charged, girl. But take it easy.
Don't worry, Maxine. I will.
Hey, Carrie! You look all fired up and ready to race.
Absolutely.
Carrie?
Don't worry, Maxine. Right then. Ready? Set. Snooze.
What?
Last one to idle is an old wheelbarrow.
Now that's the kind of race I like.
Me too.
Me too. Oh, what a joy.